Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about meal prep, specifically simple and healthy meal prep ideas for busy people. Meal prep can be a lifesaver when you're busy, but it can also seem overwhelming and time-consuming. That's why I've put together some ideas for meals that are easy to make and will help you stay on track with your healthy eating goals. Let's start with breakfast. One of my favorite meal prep ideas for breakfast is overnight oats. Simply mix rolled oats, your choice of milk, and your favorite toppings, like berries, nuts, or honey, in a mason jar and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you'll have a delicious and nutritious breakfast ready to go. You can also make a big batch of egg muffins by whisking eggs, veggies, and cheese together and baking them in a muffin tin. For lunch, I like to make a big batch of quinoa salad. Cooked quinoa mixed with veggies, protein, like chicken or chickpeas, and a homemade dressing make for a filling and healthy lunch. You can also prep some mason jar salads with your favorite greens, veggies, and protein. Just make sure to pack the dressing separately so your greens don't get soggy. Finally, let's talk about dinner. One of my favorite meal prep ideas for dinner is sheet pan meals. Simply chop up your favorite veggies and protein, toss them in olive oil and spices, and bake them on a sheet pan. You can also make a big batch of chili or soup in a slow cooker and portion it out for the week. Conclusion: meal prep doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. By prepping some simple and healthy meals ahead of time, you'll be setting yourself up for success when it comes to staying on track with your healthy eating goals. I hope you found these meal prep ideas helpful. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching.